Okay, let's talk about spray body, just pop-up heads. They're very common. Let's talk about how to adjust them, how to change out nozzles, and what the nozzles even mean, what the letters and numbers even mean, so you can select the nozzle that's best for you. Okay, these heads, they simply just pop up and they're stationary. They just constantly spray one area. Typically you have mist heads. These are just going to spray a mist constantly. You could also use MP rotors. So MP rotors are going to spray little streams of water that rotate around. However, it's going to be the exact same head. You're just replacing the nozzle. MP rotors, there are a few good times to use them. We like to use them when there is heavy wind in that area. You have a lot of wind where you live, or if you have a lot of heads in an area and low water pressure. These pump out about half the amount of water per minute, so it's going to increase the pressure if you have a lot of heads. Keep in mind, if you use MP rotors, you're going to want to double the amount of minutes to get the same amount of water down. Okay, to adjust these heads, you're simply going to grab on and just turn. That noise is completely normal. I always suggest turning to the right. That way you're not loosening any of the fittings down low. Turn it to the right until you get it where you want it. You can either use your hand or just a pair of pliers. Okay, let's talk about what these letters and numbers mean on these heads. So this one here is a U15Q. The number 15 is just stating how many feet this is rated to spray. So this one should spray about 15 feet. Q stands for quarter circle. It's good for a corner. So you're either going to have Q for quarter, H for half circle, or F for full circle. The U, I really like the U. The U stands for undercut. Now an undercut nozzle not only has this top section to spray up and out, but it also has this bottom one, so it sprays a little bit of water down as well, so you're getting much closer to the head. Most of the time I prefer the U. Okay, to change these nozzles out, just pop this up. You unscrew it, it's very easy. You're going to notice there's also a filter. I always recommend using the filter. So when you are changing this out, say you have a clogged up nozzle, I always like to turn the zone on for just a couple of seconds and let water shoot out. That way, if what was clogging it was dirt or rocks, you're clearing out the line in case there's extra debris in there. Make sure the filter's clean. If not, just put a new filter in there. Easily just screw this thing back on nice and tight. Make sure it's adjusted to spray the direction you want it, and you should be good to go. Follow us for more tips.